Lesson 1. Relative clauses. Listen to 4 conversations using relative clauses. Conversation 1. Listen to a man talking about his old neighborhood. What was built where his old house was?
I'm so excited to see where you grew up.
Well, a lot has changed since I lived here.
Still, it must feel like home to you.
Not so much. For example, the house where I grew up is no longer there.
Oh, that's too bad. What happened to it?
Well, the land it was sitting on was sold to build a new stadium.
Oh, that's a shame.
Yeah, the whole neighborhood has been completely gentrified.
Oh, really? How do you feel about that?
It's all for the best, I suppose. The whole area was run down anyway.
Is anything from your childhood still there?
Yeah, a few things. The school I attended and the park where I used to hang out are still there. That's about it.
Well, I'd love to see them. I'd love to know more about your past.
Sure, we can swing by, but they're not much to write home about.
Question 1.1. What was built where his old house was? The answer is a stadium. Conversation 2. Listen to 2 people talking in a dance club. What is not the man's taste?
How do you like the new club?
It's okay, but the music they're playing is not my taste.
I agree. But the last song they played was kind of nice.
The people that are dancing seem to like it.
The woman who's dancing is my friend. She loves this kind of music.
The guy she's dancing with sure likes it too.
Would you like to dance?
I'm sorry, but I'd rather not. Dancing is not my thing.
Question 1.2. What is not the man's taste? The answer is the music. Conversation 3. Listen to a man giving advice about his city. What can the woman rent on her trip?
Hey, Joe. You're from San Francisco, right?
That's right, born and raised. Why do you ask?
Well, I'm going there with my family on holiday, and I was hoping you could give us some tips.
Well, the first place I would check out is Muir Woods. It's really beautiful.
Yeah, I already have that down. What else would you recommend?
Well, another place I'd check out was Fisherman's Wharf. You could see sea lions that live on the pier.
Okay, I'll look into that. Any place else?
The last place I'd recommend is the Presidio. It's a park that's next to the Golden Gate Bridge.
Yeah, I read about that. I hear that there are bikes that you can rent to ride in the park and across the bridge.
Yes, and there are audio apps that you can download that give a history of the area.
Oh, thanks so much. I'm so excited to go.
Also, a dish that's worth trying is the clam chowder bread bowl. It's just a big loaf of bread with clam chowder inside it.
Oh, that sounds wonderful. Thanks for the tips.
Question 1.3. What can the woman rent on her trip? The answer is a bike. Conversation 4. Listen to 2 people talking on a camping trip. Did the man cook the food or buy it?
Thanks for inviting me to go camping with you. I'm having a great time.
Oh, thanks for coming. The last thing that I wanted was to be out here all alone.
Oh, I go camping all the time. The time I spent in the Army taught me how to survive in the wild.
Well, you are a lot braver than me.
Plus, the food that you brought is amazing. How long did it take you to make it?
No time at all. All the food we had was bought from the store. I don't cook much.
It sounds like you need to work on your survivor skills a bit more. There are a few things that I could teach you.
No, I'm good. As long as I have a credit card, I have everything that I need.
Question 1.4. Did the man cook the food or buy it? The answer is he bought it.